Arushi, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a Romwe haul and I'm also going to be sharing my tips and tricks with you guys to shop online. So if you guys know me and have been following me since a very long time, you guys would know I love shopping, especially online shopping, because in Ahmedabad we don't have a lot of stores with like really nice clothes, so I prefer shopping online. And because so much online shopping is always happening in my life, I have a few tips and tricks that I personally use whenever I'm shopping online. So I thought of sharing them with you guys so that even you guys can have a butter smooth shopping experience. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So let's first start off with the Romwe haul. I'm super excited for it because I broke my Romwe virginity, which means this is the first time that I've ever shopped from Romwe or Shein, which is why it's a small haul. I only ordered 4 things to test out the service, the products and everything. If I like it, then I'll place a bigger order the next time. So yeah, now the first thing that I got is this makeup brush. Now I want to try the brushes out as well because I love the brushes that I got from Club Factory. If you guys haven't seen the video, I'll put it down or up here. So if you guys are looking for a nice dense foundation brush which is also really cheap, you guys can try this out. Now next I have clothing. I have 3 clothing items. So first I have, oh I love this. This is a cami top. It's more like a bralette cami top. Now I won't call it a bralette because it's kind of, it comes till my belly button, but this is amazing. So I ordered it in black and it has a zip. It has adjustable straps and it has an inner lining, so it's really good quality for the price and it's totally value for money. I really love it. I'm going to pair it with a blazer, I'm going to pair it with a shirt, I'm going to pair it and I'm going to wear it a lot. The next thing that I have is a t-shirt. It's a crop top actually, and this is the top that I ordered. Now this has YouTube written on it, so I haven't ever been to a YouTube event where they give off merchandise. All I have is a backpack and a diary, so I really wanted a t-shirt which said YouTube, so I got this and oh my god, the material is so nice. The print is so nice. If you guys see the print, I don't think it will come off after like washing it 2-3 times. So the print is really nice, the material is very nice. It's not very sheer. It can be a little sheer, but if you guys wear a colored bra, then you might just see your bra or something. But if you guys are not comfortable with the sheer material, then you guys can go ahead and wear a nude or a white bra and you will be good to go. Now the last thing is something that I was super excited for and I love it. So this was like the priciest thing on the whole haul, but these are a pair of pants. Now this is how they look. The material is amazing. It has a nice elastic thing here, and I would recommend you guys to like size up in everything because I sized up in everything and I'm very happy with it. The buttons are great, they're not flimsy at all, the stripes are great, everything is great. So that was for my Romwe haul. I loved my experience at Romwe. I was kind of skeptical about ordering a lot from Romwe, which is why I only ordered 4 things. But let me tell you, my experience there was amazing. I got my order within a week. Now I've heard that a lot of people get it up like within a month or after 2-3 weeks, but I got it within a week. Also the good part was that the courier company actually sent me a number to call on to keep tracking my delivery, and I could tell him when to come and when not to come. So that was pretty great. So now that we're done with the Romwe haul, let's talk about tips and tricks to shop online. Now these will just make your shopping experience very easy and smooth, and you might just save some money here and there because I usually do. Now I have a few tips here for clothes, for makeup and skincare, everything. So let's start. The first thing would be, even though you're shopping for makeup or skincare or clothing, please have a budget. I mean, sometimes we tend to spend a lot when we're shopping online. So please have a budget because we're students. At least I'm a student and I have a fixed budget whenever I'm shopping online. So make sure you have a budget and a list of things you want. So if you're shopping on Nykaa, make sure you know, I want a foundation, a concealer, a blush. Don't just go all over and just shop a lot of things. My second tip would be, please always refer to the size chart. Now I know you've heard this a lot, but every site has a different size chart. So you need to refer to the size chart, and the important measurements that you need to know are your bust size, your waist size, your shoulder width and your foot size. Now along with that, another tip to sizing will be always refer to the model and her details. Now on Forever 21 and H&M, they do give off the model's details on what she's wearing, what size is she wearing, what is her sizes and everything. So that will really help you out. What you can do is, if she's 5'8" and you're 5'6", how is the dress looking at her? So that will really kind of help you see and picture how the thing will look on you. So I always do that, and this is my third tip. Now the fourth thing would be, always go through reviews. Now on Shein and Romwe particularly, you need to see the reviews and pictures because a lot of people post pictures to earn points, you can also do that. You can put reviews and earn points to avail discounts, but always refer to reviews, because then you will know whether you need to size up or down, whether the material is okay, whether the material is not okay. The next step would be always look at the material of the clothes that you're ordering. So for me, I only like cotton and soft materials which are airy, because I personally cannot really wear a lot of polyester because I sweat a lot. So you kind of need to see the material and order according to your preference. So always check the material as well. Now enough of clothing, let's move on to makeup and skincare, because I order a lot from Nykaa. You guys would already know. So the first thing I would always say is always buy from a trusted seller. I would not even recommend a lot of Amazon for that, because they might have first copies. Do not ever order your makeup or skincare from AliExpress, Club Factory, Romwe, Shein. I'm not targeting the websites, but you never know whether they're authentic and really nice quality or not. Always order from trusted sellers like Nykaa, Jabong and everything. They have always genuine products. Now my last tip for you guys is very helpful that I personally apply on every time I shop online. This is again for makeup and skincare. As soon as you get your product, make sure to check the manufacturing and expiry date, because हमें कोई ऐसा makeup product नहीं चाहिए जो एकदम से expire हो जाए like a month or two. You would want to see that it's just newly manufactured from a recent batch number. If it's not, file a complaint, write an email to Nykaa, to Jabong, whatever. Nykaa has really great customer service when it comes to responding to emails. So you can just write, you know, this was expired, I would want a recent batch number, and you're good. You won't get a old product or anything. So those are all my tips for shopping online, both makeup, skincare and clothing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys found this helpful. These are all my tips that I personally use in my daily life, and this would really help you guys also to shop online, save a little money here and there. So if you guys like this video and if you guys found this video helpful, you know what to do. Please give this video a huge thumbs up, and please subscribe kar do. Please go ahead and subscribe, because so many of you guys watch my videos but aren't subscribed already. So if you guys subscribe, that will make me very happy. We're near 20k, so please go ahead and subscribe. So 18,000 ho jayega, 19 for 20. And if you guys are already subscribed, you can also go and hit the notification bell button, because that will just notify you every time I post a new video, and I'm being quite regular with my uploads. So yeah, do all of that, and I shall see you guys next time. Bye! A lot of online shopping and
तो बहुत ऑफ सेंटर हो गया, वापस चल गया.
One kiss is all it takes for a